What's up, guys? It's Robson Hayashida here. We are going to show to you guys today one style of trading that utilizes both M15 and M1 time frames for analyzing the Pvsra templates. Here we have a trade that basically, let me go back to the thread. So we are on the Pvsra Scalping with Cigar Guy thread on ForexFactory.com. And here you have the two time frames, is the M15 and the M1. First of all, we are going to look at M15 and make sure that we know if the trend is upwards or downwards, if it's a bullish trend or a bearish trend. And after that, we are going to switch to M1 and try to find a place to, well, somewhere to place to enter our position. So first of all, let me look at M15. Here on M15, I see that price has going down until this level. After that was a huge rally upwards. So the rally ended here at the more or less than 110.500, which is the half level on Pvsra. After that, there was a retracement. It was a correction. And after the correction, price started to go up again. Before I entered the trade, well, I entered the trade here, but before I entered, what did I spot? I needed a confirmation that this is really an uptrend. And if it was not, well, then I would need a confirmation that it was a downtrend. But how do I define that this is really an uptrend? What I can tell is that I had 3 consecutive candles with notable volume. So I have a blue candle here, I have a pink candle, and a blue candle. When I look at the volume bar, I have 3 bars, and those 3 bars are also colored, which indicates that they are notable, or 3 of them are notable volume. So once I spotted that we have 3 candles here with notable volume here, what do I spot? What, is there anything else? Yeah, this is important because all these 3 candles failed to break the 200 EMA. I have my 200 EMA with this dotted yellow line. And above it, I have the 233 EMA, which is drawn with this yellow line. So it has failed to break these 2 EMAs, also failed to break the dragon. So it failed to break, and after that, price has bounced back up. Okay, so once I spotted these 3 candles and I spotted that price was going up again, what do I do? So do I enter immediately after that? No. What I do is I change to M1 and I try to spot a place, like an opportunity to open a buy position. So I go back to, now I go to M1, and what I can see at M1, I can see this green candle, which is huge, with huge notable volume. And what happened here? This green candle has broken the previous high. And like here, the level is 110.500, which is the half level. So it has broken the key level, also broken all the previous highs. So this is an indication for me that here's an opportunity to enter. What did I do after that? I waited for a retracement back to the key level. And I thought that probably after the retracement to the key level, price would go up again. Well, I was wrong, because instead of bouncing back to the key level, it bounced back all the way back to the dragon. And after that, after bouncing back to the dragon, price has gone up. which is fine. Like things like that happen. So I made a profit of 9.9 pips. For this style of trade, usually I would also spot. I wouldn't target just 5 pips, and I would usually spot this thing here because here I have price has broken the previous high with notable volume. After that, I got a candle that was not that big, but when you look at the volume here, the volume was huge. But so what happens is that you have huge volume, but the candle itself on the chart doesn't really follow the huge volume. Like, do you know what I mean? If the price on the chart doesn't go like the candle doesn't really is not a really big candle to make like to how can I say is not a big enough to compensate this kind of volume that you have on the volume bar. So usually for this green candle, you see a huge green candle, and you also see a huge green candle here. So that makes sense. So for this one, it's probably a sign for me that price will make a retracement. It's probably a sign. Why? I have huge volume here, but then the candle itself didn't grow that much. And that's a decision that I made to close this trade. Which you guys can see that I was right, because immediately after it closed, price went down again. So when you guys see these, like, that's why I like Pvsra, because it tells you, it colors the candles that you have to care about. So once I have this candle that's colored with notable volume, but the candle doesn't follow the volume, then I can, well, more or less I can expect that price would make a retracement. Also because before that I already have this green candle that was huge, right? So you guys can imagine the retracement was about to come up soon, right? Which it did immediately after I closed the trade. Uh, Today I would like to say thank you to one of our viewers because he posted he posted one of my YouTube videos on the thread. So thanks to Rillian. Yeah, thank you very much for posting the videos. It helps us a lot to promote our channel. So this is the list of trades for this week, and I hope you guys have a good weekend. So see you guys next week. Thank you.